Candy cane layered cake. Prep time 1 hour. Cook time 35 minutes. Yield 12 servings. Description: looking for a showstopper at your next holiday party? Incorporate the minty taste of candy canes into this gorgeous festive candy cane layered cake. Ingredients: cake, 8 eggs, 2 cups sugar, 2 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup candy canes, crushed, 14 whole candy canes, syrup, 1 cup water, a small bunch of mint, 1 cup sugar, buttercream frosting, 2 cups unsalted butter at room temperature, 1/2 cup icing sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup heavy cream at room temperature, cream cheese frosting, 12 ounces, cream cheese at room temperature, 1/2 cup icing sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: cake. Preheat the oven to 400 F. Separate egg whites and egg yolks into separate bowls. Note: make sure that there are no traces of egg yolk in the egg white, otherwise, you will not get the right texture. Whisk the egg whites with a hand mixer until they form a firm white foam. Slowly add half of the sugar 1 cup and continue whisking. Set aside. Whisk the egg yolks with the remaining cup of sugar and vanilla extract. Slowly fold in the egg whites using a spatula or spoon. Do not whisk or mix quickly as it will ruin the texture. Slowly mix in the flour until fully incorporated. Also, do not whisk the mixture. Separate the mixture into 2 20-inch cake pans and place in the oven. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Check with a toothpick, it must come out dry. Let the cakes cool down completely and cut them horizontally into halves. Syrup. In a small pot, add sugar and mint. Bring to a boil over high heat and let boil for 10 minutes. Remove the mint, add sugar and continue boiling for 10 more minutes. Turn off the heat and cool the syrup down to room temperature. Soak the cooled down cake with the room temperature syrup and let it rest while you are preparing the frosting. Frosting. Buttercream frosting. Whisk the butter with a hand mixer for a minute or 2. Slowly add the icing sugar and continue to whisk. Whisk in the vanilla extract. Gradually add in the cream in small batches. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Cream cheese frosting. Whisk the cream cheese with the sugar and vanilla extract using the hand mixer. Whisk until it increases almost twice in volume. Assembly. Layer the cake with the buttercream frosting. If you have any buttercream frosting left, spread it evenly on the top and sides of the cake. Let the cake rest in the fridge for an hour. Cover the cake with the cream cheese frosting and decorate with crushed and whole candy canes.